Hi, besties. I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon is skeptical of everybody. I love you all. I love everybody.
It's true. Also, I love an advent calendar, and Jen thinks they're just okay. This is the Target Happy Beauty Days of Advent. 12 Days of Beauty.
$20. $86 worth of value in here.
We'll see.
We did this last year.
They were good last year.
I loved this advent calendar last year, and then I threw it away at 4 a.m. before I left for work.
On trash day.
On trash day. So let's see if we can recoup some of our lost items.
All right. This is mine, by the way.
Oh, yes.
So I'm recouping Jen's lost items.
Love that.
Day number 1. Oh. I feel like you did get these
I did get that last year.
This is from Lumify. This is their redness reliever eye drops. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours.
So I remember you telling me last year that this is one of the highly shoplifted items in our store.
You'll be getting rid of that redness.
Why? Is it from the weed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Eye drops are fine.
Eye drops are fine.
Day number 2.
Dos.
Duh.
Oh, this advent calendar is very easy to open.
Why did you make that face?
Because this is something I like.
Maybe you'll get it for Christmas. Maybe Santa will love you.
Santa. It's not the one.
Oh, this is from e.l.f. This is their lash extender mascara. It's got a cute little silicone wander.
It's tubing.
Oh.
It's gonna be your Thrive dupe.
Oh.
And I have used it, and I liked it for about 1 week, and then I didn't anymore.
Oh, it doesn't say it's tubing. You sure?
I am.
Oh, uses tubing technology.
Yeah. Next.
It's fine. If I liked tubing mascara, I would be happy to have it. Just don't love a tuber. Day number 3. But already, these are both full size, by the way. I'm not looking. Oh, this is from L'Oreal. Their True Match Lumi Glotion in the color Medium Glow. Has it got a little sealer on it? You sure don't.
So I love this line. It's beautiful. Oh, yes. Look at it. Shannon, this might work for you.
Oh, actually.
This might work. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It rubbed right in. Little glow moment.
Yeah.
Kind of blurring even a little bit.
It might be a little bit dark for me, so I might mix it in with moisturizer to tone it down a little bit. But
this line is perfection. So pretty. Love it on the skin.
Yeah, it just gives you kind of a nice glowy sheen.
Okay.
4. Right. Why are we making these?
Sorry,
pieces?
I don't mean to. I'm sorry. I'm just confused.
Physicians Formula Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer. And the color bronze.
It's awfully similar to you. Okay.
This one's got a sealer. We're going to open it.
Are we?
It is a little sampler, guys.
Let's do
it.
Is your tiger outside?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a little bit, well, okay. It's a bronzer.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's a little bit redder than. Okay.
Look, I just did a fake tan.
Yes, you did. You'll be all ready for Dominicans.
Will you use that?
I would try, but it is a very red leaning.
Well, I mean,
it's going to do different things for me. Okay.
That's going home
That's
with you.
going home. Let's try
We unsealed it.
5.
Number 5. Cinco. Cinq.
Come in.
Okay, so if I don't love buying a beauty, I'm looking at it, so I already know what it is. Don't love buying a beauty advent and getting something not beauty, but to me, in an advent calendar, this isn't acceptable.
This is appropriate.
This is a little ornament.
Oh, that's cute.
It's going on my tree.
It's going right next to Mariah Carey.
Well, Mariah Carey sits on the shelf now because Dinky broke her hat.
Oh.
Yeah, he did that last
Oh,
year.
that's so cute. She really does have a Mariah Carey
Christmas
tree ornament.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yes.
I think that's extremely appropriate.
For an advent calendar?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Aw, if only.
Okay.
Okay.
Cute. Super cute.
Super cute.
Number 6. Why are you hitting on my lips?
I'm just saying. Oh, okay.
This is the Red Light Special.
It is.
Okay. Super Lustrous. Oh, this is Revlon. Super Lustrous Glimmer Lip in the color Gone Rose.
Is that a lip oil or just a shiny moment? Like a topper?
I'm not sure. It looks like a lip oil. It smells like nothing.
I love the doe foot. The doe foot is very thick. Big fatty.
It feels like a lip oil.
Okay. It looks like a lip oil.
But it's really thick.
So maybe like a crossbreed?
Yeah. It feels
That's
nice.
fine. Yeah.
Feels really nice, actually.
Okay. Very pretty.
It's probably going to make my liquid lip move around, but...
Oh, yeah.
And that's full size. So, I've already got more than my $20 worth. What day are we on?
7.
7.
We're on 7.
We know this is good.
Yeah.
This is from e.l.f. This is their liquid blush in the color Candlelit.
Ooh, I don't think we've even sampled that one before.
We're going to sample her right now because I do like these.
Yeah. So pretty. Oh, and very appropriate for your skin tone, too.
Yeah, it's not...
Don't get too excited
I'm
now.
not trying to.
One thing about the e.l.f. is I do know they're hard to get started. But once you get them started, they don't stop.
Yeah, she got excited.
Ooh.
It's pretty, though.
Oh, gosh, yes. This is kind of a blush light moment
Which I
like
love.
you like. Yeah, this is definitely not a situation I would love, but it's not my calendar.
Well, I'm excited to try that one.
Good. Love that for you. I appreciate that they're putting good brands in here. I love that. 7, 8.
I would not be mad if somebody gifted this to me.
Ooh,
Ooh, more e.l.f. Oh, this is a Power Grip Primer. This is not full size.
No, it's not.
This is like Deluxe Mini.
Didn't I get that in an advent calendar?
You probably got it in this advent calendar.
Oh.
So this is our Power Grip Primer in clear. This is good primer.
So I did not try that, but I do know that they compare it to the Milk Hydro Grip.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's the dupe for that.
Yeah.
Who are
Number
we?
9.
9? Okay. Number 9.
No.
Okay.
Another mascara. Oh, this is Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. It doesn't have a... Oh, because it comes in the the card with the clear plastic over it. That's why it doesn't have packaging.
Oh, okay.
I don't know anything about this mascara.
I have never heard of that mascara.
It's in very black. Wet n Wild does some good things.
Do they?
They're cheaper drugstore, but I had a Wet n Wild mascara a couple years ago that I
was it Big
fun.
Papa?
It was big something. It was green. The tube was greener. We looked everywhere for it. I don't remember. So I can't be mad at that.
So I appreciate that they put another mascara in there.
This might be tubing. How would we know? It says it's waterproof.
Oh, you like that?
I do like waterproof.
Okay.
Number 10.
So 10.
So 2 full-size mascaras, the full-size lip thing, the full-size blush, the full-size eye drops, 2 little glow things, the primer. Oh, this is Sally Hansen Insta Dry Hollow Glow in the color Holla Back.
Holla Back, girl. B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
This is pretty. I don't hate my nails a lot, but it's not a color I hate. It'd be cute on my toes.
Yeah.
Full size. $10.
Full size.
$10
yes.
right there.
All right.
11. What are we doing? Oh, it's a phone suction.
Is that what that is?
So it's a little guy. You put this on the back of your phone, and then you can suction your phone to the mirror to do selfies and shit. Kaylee has a suction.
She does?
on her phone. Yeah. I'm not going to use that. Do you know anybody?
No.
Okay. That's kind of disappointment.
A little bit. I'm not really sure what... Okay.
I mean,
all right.
Taking selfies is a beauty thing.
Yes.
So
okay.
I'm reaching.
You are, and I'm trying with you. Okay, this is the Big Daddy, okay?
I don't like that face.
I don't think you're gonna be excited.
Oh.
Oh?
Elf Sun Touchable Whoa Glow 30 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen for sun protection and makeup primer.
Okay, I thought it was the bronzer. I'm sorry.
In the color Sunbeam, which is a sheer peach shimmer.
Oh, that's right up where you need to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're probably not going to swatch this today because it does.
Don't open it until we leave for vacation.
So we'll go on vacation with us. Sometimes I even like to use a primer when I'm not using makeup.
Same.
And we don't wear a lot of makeup on vacation, but I don't mind a sunscreen for my face. Obviously, I'm fair skinned. We're going to a tropical island. So it'd be good to have a good sunscreen for my face. And it's not white. So once I'm brown.
Sure, Shannon.
Once I'm
dark white.
Once I'm dark white. It won't look like I'm smearing paste on my face.
Yeah.
So $20. I don't think you can go wrong with these. When I purchased them, they were buy one get one 25% off. So I got both of them for like $35 with I think free shipping from Target. I ordered from Target.com. So this is junk. This was far too dark for me, but that's happens. But you get more than I would say that is probably close to accurate.
I would say so, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I would say because
tons of full sizes
20, 30, 40, 50,
55,
60, 65, 70. The ornament and the bronzers, I would say.
I'm good with the price that they're giving
Yeah.
us on this.
Sometimes companies inflate what they say things are worth for
Yeah,
these.
they do. Often.
But
And plus you got a little lipper.
I don't think Target did that with these. I think that's accurate pricing.
Yeah, I always, like, since last year, I've thought this was a great calendar, and I was really excited when I saw it come out. One of us had to get it, and
you had already bought.
I had already placed an order with Target to get the MCO Beauty.
Yep.
And she's like, I'll just grab it. So
I'll just grab it.
Yeah, I am crazy about that. This is probably my favorite Advent calendar.
We'll continue getting this one every year, I think.
Yeah.
What do you think of this? Would you agree with the value like we do? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.